Okay guys, I hadn't posted anything on this website in a while, but I'm about to start posting for you guys. What I'm going to try to do is rehab this old rent house. We basically bought this rent house, or this house, for unpaid taxes, and you can see it's horrible. The yard is horrible, it's grown up. However, I've looked over the house, which is a mobile home. The underside is sound and the siding is sound. There has some holes in the roof you can see up there. So we got the house trailer really cheap, so I'm hoping that we'll be able to fix it up and turn a profit, and hopefully get it rented out to a good couple or to a good family. And in addition to that, it'll also help the neighborhood look better. It won't be growed up like this, because we'll cut that. But this is just the first step. This is our first day out here actually looking at it, and I'm just gonna show you guys that, you know, a couple people and a little bit of help, we can rehab this thing and see what it looks like. But you can see there's a broken window there. Thing looks horrible on the inside, absolutely horrible. So it's gonna take some money, but I don't have much money in it. But today I just went up there on the roof and repaired some holes. There was a few holes in the roof, and so hopefully we got it halfway dry until we can get our game plan together on fixing this thing up and evaluating our priorities. So, and it's just gonna be me and my wife. We're gonna work on this, and it's gonna be a project for us. And I've learned that she and I get along better whenever we're busy. So hopefully this will be a little retirement income for us. This will be the only rent house that I have. So if you subscribe to this channel, you'll get to see the updates. Oh, and by the way, it's very hot out here. So subscribe to our channel, and I'll try to take it step by step and giving you some idea of the cost involved in rehabbing this house. And I'm not gonna hire huge crews to come out and do this. I'm just gonna try to do it ourselves as much as possible. However, there's times where you have to have a crew. But all right, so that's what's going on. So I know you're gonna cringe when you look at this video and see how horrible this is. But we'll look back on it and say, yep, we're pretty glad we did that. Got a little monthly income and made the neighborhood look a little better. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and thank you for subscribing. If you would click this top right icon, that's my subscribe button. Thank you.